We believe that NVIDIA is in a great position with the picks and shovels, and our predictions for the company's revenue growth over the next 5 years are fairly ambitious. However, everyone is aware of it and values it appropriately. Therefore, depending on one's assessment, this year's revenue falls between, say, 25 and 27 times sales. On the software side, we have other names in the portfolio. Additionally, keep in mind that, based on our estimations, $8 to $21 worth of software will be pulled through for every dollar of hardware. The largest AI opportunity now available is Tesla. In terms of autonomous cab platforms, it is the largest artificial intelligence project in the world, and it is currently selling for about 7 times or 6 times revenues. We believe that to be the best example. It's a really nice one. Zoom, which is selling at about 3 times sales, and Twilio, which is selling at 2 to 3 times sales, are examples of other software investments. All of these are sales. Additionally, these businesses either have extremely high gross margins, like Zoom's at 80%, or low ones, like Tesla's in the 20s. Although these are gross margins, they will increase as a result of Tesla's developing SaaS-like business model. Not at all anticipated out there, they will rise from their 20s into what we think are their 50s and 60s. Within the next 10 years, NVIDIA, a powerhouse in the IT sector currently, may be valued at an astounding $300 trillion. Although this number might appear bold, it is supported by a number of important considerations, chief among them being NVIDIA's dominance in the rapidly developing field of artificial intelligence, AI. NVIDIA is well positioned to be the main beneficiary of the AI revolution that is currently taking place in the world. For training and executing sophisticated AI models, the company's graphics processing units, or GPUs, have emerged as the industry standard. The need for NVIDIA's GPUs will only grow as AI continues to permeate every sector of the economy, including healthcare, banking, and entertainment. This rising demand has the potential to drive NVIDIA's earnings to previously unheard-of levels, which would greatly increase its market value. In addition to being strong, NVIDIA's GPUs are tuned for the parallel processing capability needed by AI algorithms. Because of this technological edge, NVIDIA is now the preferred supplier of AI infrastructure. NVIDIA's GPUs will continue to be essential as sectors depend more and more on AI for automation, data analysis, and decision-making, guaranteeing that the business stays at the vanguard of the AI explosion. AI is probably going to be incorporated into almost every part of our life in the future, from intelligent virtual assistants to personalized medicine to self-driving cars. Applications of AI will proliferate. Many of these applications are already powered by NVIDIA's technology, which will be crucial to their further advancement and broad use. NVIDIA's valuation will rise as a result of its widespread use, which will further strengthen its position as the top AI enabler. For example, NVIDIA's Drive platform offers the processing power required for real-time data processing and decision-making in autonomous cars. NVIDIA's Clara platform is transforming genetics and medical imaging in the healthcare industry. These developments broaden NVIDIA's market reach across several industries while also showcasing the company's technological capabilities. NVIDIA is developing into an AI as a service provider in addition to being a hardware company. This means providing cloud-based AI tools and platforms that enable people and companies to use AI without needing a lot of technical know-how. In addition to increasing NVIDIA's income streams, this strategic move positions the business as a full-service provider of AI solutions, which raises the company's potential for valuation. NVIDIA's AI products, such as the NVIDIA AI Enterprise Suite, make it simple for businesses to implement AI solutions. NVIDIA can reach a wider range of clients, including startups and major corporations, by reducing the obstacles to AI adoption. Through subscription-based services, this recurring revenue model will offer a steady and expanding revenue stream that is essential for reaching such a high valuation. AI is expected to have a huge economic impact. A PUC analysis estimates that by 2030, artificial intelligence might boost the world economy by up to $15.7 trillion. NVDA is positioned to take a sizable chunk of this value as a major participant in the AI ecosystem. The company's market valuation may reach the trillions if it can successfully commercialize AI through its services, software, and hardware. The impact of NVIDIA on AI goes beyond conventional sectors. Drones and analytics driven by AI, for instance, can maximize crop yields in agriculture. AI algorithms have the potential to enhance the metaverse, a virtual environment where individuals may communicate, collaborate, and have fun, is becoming more and more popular. The depiction of the intricate simulations and images needed for the metaverse to operate depends on NVIDIA's GPUs. NVIDIA's technology will be in great demand as the metaverse develops and gains traction, which could raise the company's worth to all-time highs. A key component of NVIDIA's metaverse plan is the Omniverse platform, which allows engineers, designers, and creators to collaborate and simulate in real time. The need for strong, scalable computing power will increase as more businesses and individuals create and occupy the metaverse, making NVIDIA a major participant in this new digital frontier. Although a $300 trillion valuation is conceivable, there are obstacles in the way. NVIDIA's expansion may be hampered by heightened competition, legal restrictions, and other technological upheavals. The business will also need to keep up its innovative edge and adjust to the rapidly changing AI environment. NVIDIA's market share may be impacted by competition from other tech behemoths like Google, AMD, and Intel. Its activities may potentially be impacted by regulatory scrutiny of AI and data privacy. Furthermore, NVIDIA's hegemony might be challenged by developments in quantum computing or other AI devices. The fact that NVIDIA might be valued at $300 trillion in 10 years is evidence of how revolutionary AI can be. NVIDIA's technology will be at the vanguard of the global AI revolution, propelling previously unheard-of growth and value creation. Even if there are still obstacles to overcome, NVIDIA is a strong contender to reach this remarkable valuation due to its strategic positioning, growing business model, and the enormous economic potential of artificial intelligence. In conclusion, NVIDIA's leadership in the AI revolution, the incorporation of AI into daily life, its shift to AIs, the enormous economic effect of AI, and its innovative work in the metaverse will all contribute to its ascent to a $300 trillion valuation. NVIDIA is in a good position to reach this noteworthy milestone since it has a solid base and is keeping an eye on upcoming developments. Shares of NVIDIA are up almost 4%. What have you learned recently, Jim, from your numerous on-air and off-air discussions with many of the attendees of Dreamforce this week and simply folks you've encountered in the San Francisco area? Well, I believe we can hear Lisa Su's AMD remarks. NVIDIA is on a saleable lead, but there is room for two because there is so much business, she informed me. I simply keep receiving more and more demands. The main joke here is that some people, like Mark Zuckerberg or Elon Musk, actually have Blackwell. Remember how Jensen Huang was so upset over who got his chips last week? David, I've never seen anything like this. You know what? It's like they're scalping him. Yes, and that's not good. Scalping is nothing new to him. However, the majority of people just state that Jensen asterisk is asterisk AI. No one has joined his orbit. We're waiting for others to do so. Last night, that stock fell in value. You know, it collapsed, went from 15 to 13 like some kind of small cap margarine. A blade through margarine. Margarine. Yes, have a look at it. However, it's higher now. It's clear that we have an S&P. Carl, isn't that a new record? Yes, exactly on the S&P. This is a record high, and I believe the Dow is at an all-time high as well. 42 core such. NVIDIA is the one to keep an eye on. That was up 3, and it's up 5 now at 82. Other from the fact that the long can has been against it because people believe Jensen can't possibly retain the strength. There was nothing wrong with NVIDIA. Thus, we're making an effort. I'm also keeping an eye on NVIDIA. It is unquestionably still in this sideways mode because it hasn't yet reached a higher high than the previous top. Therefore, Until we have a few more days of follow through, I suppose I will hold off on making a determination about whether this is, you know, a shift in the nature of this market that has been shifting away from technology.